question number 6. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A -4, 3 and B 5, 2. So you have to find the point which is on the y-axis, and that point is equal distance from A as well as from B. That means that point is in the middle of A and B. So first you draw a line, okay, we join A and B. So that point on the y-axis will be here, which is equal distance, which is at an equal distance from A as well as B. That means these two distances are equal. This means equidistance. These two distances are equal. AP and PB are equal. So let the point be P 0, y. Okay, on the y-axis, x is 0. So 0, y. So since it is equidistance from A and B, AP is equal to PB. So distance of AP is equal to distance of PB. So in AP, this will be your x1, y1, x2, y2. So formula again for PB, this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So AP, x2, 0, 0 minus 4 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to x2 is 5, 5 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus y whole square. First you cancel this root, square root will cancel out. Then minus into minus plus 4 square plus, here use formula of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 whole square plus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4 square is 16 plus y square minus 2 3s are 6y plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 2s are 4y plus y square. So 16 plus 9 is 25 plus y square minus 6y is equal to 25 plus 4 29 minus 4y plus y square. So 25 plus y square minus 6y minus 29 plus 4y minus y square is equal to 0. Y square cancel since they have opposite sign. 25 minus 29 minus 4 minus 6y plus 4y minus 2y is equal to 0. So we'll write this number on the right hand side. Minus 2y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of y will be minus 2. So the point is 0, minus 2. Now next question number 9. The coordinate of the center of a circle are a plus 2, a minus 1. Find a. If the circle passes through 2, minus 2 and 8, minus 2. First you make one circle, okay? Then you draw one diameter. This is called the diameter of the circle. And this is the center of the circle, and center we will represent by O. Its coordinate is a plus 2, a minus 1. This is the coordinate of center, and it is given that the circle, this circle passes through the 2 points a 2, minus 2 and b 8, minus 2. So you have to make diagram in this way, okay? You make your A, make your B, then O will be in the center. This is the center of the circle. Now from this diagram, these two side radius, these are called the radius OA and OB, no, radii of the circle. So they are equal in length, okay? That means the distance of AO and the distance of OB are equal. So with that concept, we have to solve this question to find the value of A. So distance of AO is equal to distance of OB. So you know formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For AO, x1, y1, x2, y2. So a plus 2, x2 minus 2, a minus 1, minus into minus, minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to, for this OB, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So 8 minus a plus 2, then minus 2 minus a minus 1 whole square. Then you'll get 2 and minus 2 cancel. A square plus a minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square is equal to 8 minus a minus into plus minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus a minus into minus plus 1 whole square. Then a square plus a minus 1 plus 2, opposite sign subtraction, plus 1 whole square is equal to 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus a whole square plus minus 2 plus 1, opposite sign subtraction, you have to write sign of greater number, minus 1 minus a whole square. So here what we will do, we will take out this minus common, okay, otherwise you will get confused which formula to use. So we will take out this minus common, then it will be 1 plus a whole square. Then we will use formula a square plus, here we will use a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now minus and the power is even plus, so here you have to use formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus a square, 2a square plus 2 into a into 1, 2a plus 1 square is 1. 6 square is 36 minus 2 6 is 12a plus a square plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into a 2a. This one a square plus a square is 2a square. Okay. So 2a square plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 36 plus 1 37 minus 12a plus 2a, opposite sign subtraction, 10a, this is greater number whose sign is minus, so minus 10a plus 2a square. Now we will keep everything on the left hand side, so 2a square plus 2a plus 1 minus 37 plus 10a minus 2a square is equal to 0. 2a square cancel, so 2a plus 10a 12a and plus 1 minus 37 minus 36. So next line will be 12a minus 36 is equal to 0. 12a is equal to 36. A is equal to 36 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 threes are 36. So this is your answer. Now next is question number 10. If a point P A comma B is equidistant from A and B so that A is equal to B. So first you draw line AB, write here A and here B, and P is equidistant. That means you have to make P in the middle. Okay. So here will be P. Again the same concept we have to use. Distance of AP is equal to distance of PB. So you have to use formula. Okay. Formula of that one, distance formula. After that you have to solve this question. Okay. On solving the questions, okay, at last you will get A is equal to B. So this is what you have to prove in this question. So you try to solve this question. Okay. So in this question you just have to use formula. First you have to use formula of distance, how to find the distance between 2 points. Then you have to use formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Some term will be cancelled out and at last you will get this A is equal to B. So you do this question. Next question number 11. If the points 2, 1 and 1, minus 2 are equidistant from the point AB, so that again with the same concept you have to solve this question. Okay. So AB, write this P, PAB, then write this AB. So same concept, distance of AP is equal to distance of PB. You just put the value, okay, you solve. At last line will be your A plus 3B is equal to 0. So this is your homework.